Can I get a medium Big Mac meal, please? GoPro, yes.
GoPro. What have you been up to then?
So I've been recording a video of me driving.
Oh, right.
So yeah, so just get like a driving like perspective, you know what I mean? But yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, hello and welcome everyone back to another YouTube video. Now guys, in today's video what we're going to be doing is doing like a POV drive. So now over the past few videos I've been getting questions saying, can you do like a POV drive? Now I've really not wanted to do it for one main reason, and that reason is because of the exhaust. I kind of want an exhaust on it to then do the POV drive so then it sounds nice, and you know, maybe when we've got the tune and stuff like that. Bloody helicopters. But anyway, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing a POV drive today. I've kind of not got a lot of time and this video will be quite easy to make. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and put a GoPro on my head and go for a drive. I've got to do a few things, so I've got to go and get some lunch. I'm just going to go to McDonald's just because, you know, it's quick and easy and I haven't got that much time. And also we're going to be going to the petrol station, so I'm sure I'll keep recording and you'll see me do that. But other than that, let's go. But actually, just before we do get into the video, I just want to give a bit of a shout out to the Essence perfume. Now I don't know if you can see there, I don't know if it's going to focus, but I'll overlay some video of it over the top. But essentially what they do is like luxury car air fresheners. So essentially they do like big brands. So this one up here is like a Paco Rabanne smell, and honestly I wear Paco Rabanne 1 million as my daily, and it actually smells so good. Like the fact that my car smells like Paco Rabanne is awesome. But they do like Hugo Boss and all that kind of thing, but they come in these like little pouches in here, and then when you take it out, I've only got one hand, so I do apologise. You can actually choose what they look like, but they look so nice. So I've actually got my Paco Rabanne up there, and I've got this one next, which I do believe, yeah, it's the Invictus, like the Paco Rabanne Invictus, I think it's called. But yeah, these are awesome. I'll leave links in the description if you guys want to go check them out. But yeah, this is not sponsored at all. They just sent me them out to kind of test. Honestly, highly recommend. Go check out their Instagram and go purchase some. They're not the cheapest of things, but I think they're about £10 per one, but they do last a long time, and also they smell like proper nice brands. So you know what? I really dig it. I love them. So cool. But yeah, let's go ahead and hit the road. I'm going to try and put this on my head somehow. Probably going to ruin my hair, but oh well, it's definitely worth the video. But I want to give a bit of a shout out as well to my mate Matt Keane for letting me borrow his GoPro, because without him this video would not be possible. So make sure you go check out his Instagram. He's into cars and stuff like that as well. He has an MX-5. He does like track days. He drives like bloody sports and supercars for like a living. It's awesome. But yeah, go check him out. I'll leave his Instagram down below. But yeah, thank you for letting me borrow your GoPro. So guys, we are now, I don't know where I'm looking because this is obviously POV, but guys, we are now on the road. Now this is the first ever time I've done a POV video, so I really hope you guys can hear me, but I'm also going to be using my main camera as well as like kind of a backup camera as well, so I can talk to an actual camera. But over there, look. Guys, I've just edited this back and look how bad I look. That's awful, I can't keep that. Mia's here like at the minute and we're editing this and it looks so bad. But anyway, just ignore my face, alright? But yeah, God. But yeah, this is obviously my cockpit now. You might be asking one thing. Now, as you can see, my iDrive screen isn't actually on. Now that is purely because on the camera, for some reason, it was flickering. Now, just for this video, we'll have it off, but I can turn it on in future videos if I obviously can get it all working. But yeah, currently following some horses, so we're probably going to go about 10 miles an hour. So I put a post out on Instagram asking you guys for some topics to talk about on this video, and one of them was, what is your future plans / mods for the car? I feel like I've answered this a lot, but obviously people still want to know. But I'm kind of thinking like I want to do like the small subtle mods, and I'm going to get all the new carbon fibre interior, potentially new exhaust. I'm going to get tints on it, get a remap on it, There's all different bits I want to kind of try, but in this video we are going to be using the car in sport mode, just to let you know. I don't know if you're interested in that, but you've also got to bear with me because I also talk to myself an awful lot, so this could be quite funny because yeah, I always talk to myself all the time. But yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying this little POV drive. It's just going to be a pure chat video, and hopefully you guys do enjoy it. But we are going to go ahead and get some fuel in just 1 second, and then we're also going to head out to McDonald's to get myself some food. But hopefully this is still recording. I do believe it is. But yeah, let's go for a quick drive. I'll just, whoa, what is he doing? He was halfway across the road. But anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stay quiet for just a few minutes, let you, well, not a few minutes, probably about a minute, and let you kind of take in the driving experience, and then I'm going to put some music over the top. But I shall catch you guys in a second when we are filling up the car. And before people ask, these are national speed limit roads. I know what all you guys are like. They're all like, oh, you're going too quick. This is a national speed limit road, all right, before you guys complain. But you wouldn't want to go 60 in some of these corners anyway. Definitely wouldn't want to go 60. But yeah. Also, I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but this car has auto rev matching. So essentially, I don't know if I could show you it now, but so here's an example of the kind of the auto rev matching. So if I'm in third gear right now and I want to go to second, I can literally do that and just put my foot down. It's honestly so good. I don't even need to do heel and toe, but if you do hold down the traction button, that then turns it off, and then you have to do pure heel and toe, and it's all manual then, so you do get the full driving experience. But what I just really like that. So for example, if I'm in fourth now and I realise, oh, this is probably not the best gear, I can just change up to third, and if you look, I can do it again without my foot near the throttle. There we go. So that's fourth, and then third, and the car doesn't jolt at all. And hopefully you can see on the instrument there that it does actually blip the throttle, which I think is really cool. But yeah, let's go get some fuel, and we shall go from there. Don't want to hit the guy. Probably won't do very well if I did, would I? There you go. But yeah, honestly, I actually really enjoy driving this car. Like, I really do enjoy driving it. I'm definitely going to get a remap on it, and I think when I do get the remap done, I don't know why I keep looking at the camera, but when I do get the remap done and also the exhaust, we're definitely got to come out again and we'll have a proper good little drive. But this is kind of a taster. For one, it's to test me really, to see whether or not I'm good at doing the POV drives, whether or not I can talk and keep the kind of the conversation going, and also whether or not the GoPro's working, because obviously it's not even my GoPro, but hopefully I can put a few shots together and make this look quite cool. Honestly, people around here, because I live in Cornwall and it's not like nowhere near the city or anything like that, people don't really understand the whole YouTube side of things. Oh, that's nice. Look at that Mustang. Oh, that is nice. I kind of missed my opportunity to go then. I was like distracted. But yeah, that was nice. So another question you guys asked on Instagram was, how did you get on with your theory driving test? Now, we'll talk a little bit more about this after probably getting some petrol, but I actually did not very good on the first time, but I mean, I was only 3 marks off, I do believe. So then I did it again and I absolutely smashed it. But yeah, to be honest, the theory really wasn't the one for me. I'm really not very good at any kind of theory test or any paper test for that matter. I'm more of a practical guy, hence why obviously I passed my actual practical test first time. But yeah, I mean, it's not too hard. I did have the app so you can learn and stuff like that. But yeah, definitely get the app. Let's see what this person thinks of me recording. He's probably like, what the hell is going on? I reckon he or she likes her BMW. She's done her crash bars as well. That is cool. That's the pre-facelift, but it's still got the white crash bars on it. So we are going to be putting in premium fuel. I don't normally put in normal fuel, but I seem to be able to get a few more miles out of it. But yeah, we are going to be putting in premium fuel today. just because I prefer to use that. Apparently it's a bit better, but I'm not too 100% sure if it is. But hey ho, if it's got the word premium in it, it must be a little bit better, mustn't it? So let's go ahead and get some fuel in it. Oh.
What have you been up to then?
So I've been recording a video of me driving.
Oh, right.
So yeah, so just get like a driving like perspective, you know what I mean? But yeah.
Yeah, see ya.
Cheers. Yeah, I'd probably say on a full tank I would probably get about 380 to 400 miles on this car, which for a petrol, and it's only a 52 litre tank, so it's not the biggest of tanks. I don't think that's too bad. I think it's not too bad, especially when I went to Manchester the other day. We went on a long journey and I managed to get 47.7 miles to the gallon. How crazy is that for a petrol? I mean, I was an Eco Pro going 70 mile an hour the whole way on cruise control, so I was making sure I definitely got the high MPG, but I mean, that's crazy. So I've been getting a lot of comments recently about my setup series, like where is my setup series, what am I doing, are you still going to do it again, have you decided to be just a car YouTuber now, like what's actually going on? So basically what is happening is I'm going to be doing this series as like the main one at the moment, but then once I'm done, or I kind of had enough of doing my car stuff, I'm going to move on to the setup series, but I don't really have enough money to be able to run both series on the go. I do want to try do some vlogs as well, so there'll be like 3 types of content. I did talk about this on my live stream the other day. So I want to be able to do like vlogs, and then I also want to be able to do gaming setup videos, and then I also want to be able to do like car videos as well, so like 3 different types of content. But the only problem is just money. I mean, I could probably do the vlogs as well. If you guys wanted more of like a personal side of me, I can definitely do the vlogs as well. I used to love doing vlogs. I mean, I really did. I used to love doing vlogs, but now I just don't think I would get the views, and like I just don't know if that's the content people want to see. But I don't know. Let me know what you think about that, and whether or not I should bring more just normal vlogs. So if I go and do a nice day out with Mia, I can record it, and just, yeah, let me know. I'd love to hear what you think. That would be awesome. But yeah, in this drive I'm not going to be like ragging it around, purely because obviously it's not been tuned yet. It's not the quickest thing in the world, but I don't really care really, to be honest. I like the look of it, and because I'm only 19, to get insurance or anything else, it's really not that feasible. So I'm not too bothered, to be honest. I'm more happy having a car that looks nice. I mean, compared to other people in my year, my car is pretty nice, and I'm really happy with it. I'm really proud and really happy with it. And yeah, when I get a tune on it, that will be really good as well. But I'm not getting one for a little while yet, I don't think. I actually had a question on my Instagram the other day saying, what would be your top 3 car garage? Which I thought was very interesting. So I actually thought about this, and I was talking to Mia about it as well, and we kind of worked out what mine would probably be. Now, I literally only had 10 minutes to really think about it, but I think it would probably be a mini JCW, so like a Cooper S, but obviously the JCW version. And also, I feel like it will be, I want an M2 competition, a mini JCW, and then also a Tesla, like the new Tesla. Really want to give a Tesla a try and see what that is like. To be honest, guys, with that car in front, obviously the mini Cooper S, what would you guys think about if I got that as like a second car, as like another project car when I'm done with this? What would you guys think about that? Because they are super nice looking cars, and also they may be really fun as well to drive. So let me know what you think, because I definitely am quite interested in, to be honest. Hello, yeah, can I get a medium Big Mac meal, please?
Yeah, okay.
Can I just get a latte, please? That's it, thank you. Cheers. Thank you very much. Can I get 2 tomato ketchups, please? Thank you. Cheers. So guys, that is probably where I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video. Really do hope you guys did enjoy like a POV style video. I'm on the way home now because I'm going to go ahead and eat my McDonald's because I've got some friends coming around later on for like some sort of evening kind of gathering kind of thing, like a family do kind of thing. But yeah, I shall go ahead and wrap the video right up here. Make sure to go ahead and check out those perfumes or like the air fresheners. They are honestly super cool. But yeah, I shall catch you guys very soon on a brand new video. Cheers for watching.